Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to create this beautiful everyday wear looks. So I wanted to create something brownie yellow beautiful look for everyday use. Nowadays I'm creating all the everyday wearable looks. So if you guys want to know how I've created this look and what all products I've used to create this look, I did not use too much of products, but what all products I have used to create this beautiful wearable look, perfect for spring and summer. So if you guys want to know how I've created this look, then keep on watching. And also, if you're the first time you came to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to show you guys how the spring summer looks in a palette. So I'm going to use this palette from NATASHA DENONA Sunrise palette, and it has beautiful yellow, brown, all the spring colors in it. The palette looks so beautiful. So today I'm going to use this palette, get ready with this palette, and the shadows are very buttery, blends beautifully. It's not high end, but they're very good quality products, and this is special because the color is so beautiful of this palette. So I'm going to first do some base. I'm not doing too much, very little of base makeup I'm going to do. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me primer, Matte+Poreless. I've already applied a little bit of SPF. This is going to hold my makeup a longer time. And it will also give a very beautiful even base, a little bit of my pores. Little bit I'm going to apply it for my eyelid also. Next I'm going to apply some concealer. I'm going to use this concealer from e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It is in satin finish and the shade is Deep Olive. So I need this concealer to hide the dark circles. You can see it near my, it is a little bit orange toned, quite orange toned. And I'm going to dab this product. As you can see, it has hidden all the gray areas of my face. Next I'm going to take this concealer from Cover FX Power Play Concealer. It is in the shade N Medium 2. So this is mostly for brightening. This has a dot kind of applicator in it. This much is I think enough. This is not a very thick concealer. This is not too much thick, not too much creamy. And I need to make my areas near my eyes to be bright, because I'm going to go with some lighter shades. So it will pop up more if I have some lighter shade near my eyes. Next I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to dab it on all over my face, and this is going to blend the concealer and give a beautiful finish. Today I'm not thinking of using any kind of makeup sponge. Basically I have to wash my makeup sponge, so I'm not going to use the makeup sponge today. Next I'm going to set my face using this loose powder from M.A.C Cosmetics. This is the Masked and Setting Powder in the shade Banana. Alright, I have set my face. Now I'm going to go for my eye makeup. I'm going to use this palette from NATASHA DENONA. It is the Sunrise palette. So it has beautiful shades in it. More orangey brown. So I don't have any shade to fill in my brows, so I'm going to first fill in my brows. So I'm going to take this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette and I'm going to take this two dark shades to fill in. I'm not going to make it too dark or bold. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, I'm going to use this palette to fill in my brows. Recently I was going very bold with my brows, so I chopped little part of my brows, made it a little bit thin. So I'm going to start with a lighter shade. Basically I'm going to start with this shade. This is a beautiful orangey brown. These eyeshadows are very soft and buttery. Feels very soft to the skin. It feels very luxurious. And they are not at all patchy. As you can see, it is beautifully blended. Next I'm going to take this beautiful sunny orangey yellow shades. Actually, it's called Carnelian. The earlier shade was Morgan. Carnelian, I'm going to dab it. I have taken a flat brush and the shadows are very pigmented. I'm going to use the shade Carnelian to the inner part of my eyelid. Next I'm going to take some brownie shadow to my outer corner. So I'm going to take the shade called Jasper. It is like orangey brown, more darker than that, and mixture of clove also. And none of the shadows are very dark. It's very blendable and gives a very soft finish. Yes, as you can see, it has created a beautiful shadow, not showing any kind of black or dark color. And yeah, this is the eye look I wanted to create for today. So I'm going to take this deeper shade to my lower lash line also, the shade Clove and Jasper. Next I'm going to remove the baking. I'm going to bronze up my face. I'm going to go very soft with my bronzer because I don't want anything harsh line in my face. So I'm going to use this K Beauty Contour and Highlight Pro palette. It's not much grey. The middle shade is not so grey. The corner shade is a little bit grey, but I'm going to bronze up my face. I'm going to take this angled brush and I'm going to take this middle shade and dab the product. I'm going to also apply this bronzer for my nose contour. I'm just connecting from my brows. Like this, it has given a very soft nose contour. Next I'm going to go for some blush. I'm going to go for this beautiful peachy blush from MyGlamm. This is the peach blush from MyGlamm, sweet peach actually, shade number 03. And I'm going to swirl my brush around the product and then I'm just going to dab it. First I'm going to go heavy because today I did not use any kind of cream blush. So I'm going to go heavy first and then I'm going to blend it using the powder brush. Make sure you don't get some lines. Blend it. If you get some lines like that where you have a separate line between your concealer and the blush, make sure to blend it. I'm going to take the same powder puff I've used and I'm going to dab it so that this area looks more blended instead of a line of blush like this. As you can see, now it looks more blended. Next I'm going to set my face, stay it for a longer time. I'm going to use this MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Lavender. This is going to hold my makeup for a longer time. Next I'm going to line up my lips. I'm going to use this lip liner from K Beauty in the shade Fame. I have been loving this lip liner. And also I'm going to go with a gloss from Nykaa 03 Riding Solo because I'm wearing nowadays only gloss. And then next I'm going to go with the gloss. Like this, it is going to hydrate my lips for longer time, and after some time, after I think 1 or 2 hours actually, this gloss is going to go away and I'm going to reapply one more. But yeah, this is to make sure my lips are hydrated. I'm going to put a little bit of red actually. I'm going to this Renee lip gloss in the shade Bloody Red. Yeah, I think that is good. Next, I'm going to tight line my upper and lower lash line and apply some mascara. I'm not going to draw some lines, and I have used this Nykaa Eyem Kajal. And next step, I'm going to use lots of mascara. So I have used a combination of these two mascaras, one from Sugar Cosmetics, the Lashes of the Titan Volumizing Mascara, and the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. So now I'm going to highlight near my eyes. These colors are not going to pop much if I don't highlight. So this palette has beautiful shades called Awakening and Laurel. So I'm going to use these two shades. Laurel I'm going to use to the inner corner. And to highlight also my brow bone, there is a shade called more golden shade. It is called Agate. I'm going to apply it to my eyelid a little bit to pop more, and then I'm going to blend it like this. So this is going to add some dimension. Also, I'm going to apply some mascara to hold my brow. And yeah, this is my finished look. I hope you recreate and like this video and recreate this look of this beautiful yellow, simple, everyday wear look. I did not make it too much of yellow or extreme because it's mostly an everyday look. So this is how I came up with this look. It is not too much bang on face. And yeah, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.